There's a debate going on in camper vans. Tell them what that
Bathroom or no bathroom? Which do you choose?
Exactly. Now, I'm telling you right now, right off the bat, if I'm paying over $100,000 for a vehicle, it better have a bathroom in it.
I agree.
So when we talk about a bathroom, we're referring to a toilet and a shower in a private area. Let's start off with the toilets.
We have 3 toilets that we are aware of in the RV camper van lifestyle. The first toilet is the black tank.
It's the one that operates more like a home toilet. You do your business in it, hit the foot pedal, and it flushes. It flushes into a black tank.
Yes.
What do you do with the black tank? Well, you have to find a dump site.
Yes.
And they're very few and far in between.
The second kind of toilet is a cassette toilet.
Now, a cassette toilet is a toilet that sits on top of a little black tank or a water tank. And same thing, you do your business, flush it, it goes down in that tank. Now you have to take that tank apart and carry it with you to a public bathroom or
hey, how you doing?
A dumping station somewhere you can pour it in. Then both of those options so far, you always got to look at your own crap as you're disposing of it.
As it's going down. As it's going down,
so
for sure.
Do you like doing that or not? That's another question.
So the third choice is a dry flush toilet.
A dry flush toilet is, you're pretty much using a bag.
Like a diaper genie, back in the day, like a diaper genie.
Yeah, a good example. Same concept. You do your business in a bag. You hit a button, and it seals. Locks it away. You don't see it or smell it.
Smell it. You don't smell it. So that's the biggest thing. You don't smell it. Say that one more time. You don't smell it.
Somebody broke wind in here. I've been trying to not say nothing, but somebody farted in this motherfucker. That's some long distance fart too, boy.
And the first 2 options with the black tank and the cassette toilet.
Yes.
If it's hot outside, that aroma.
You're gonna smell
that aroma is going to come through. Remember that.
Yes.
Or believe that.
Smell it. So you're going to be spraying some spray. You're going to try to figure out a way to get that smell up out of there. I'm not saying that either one of them is right or wrong. We're actually just giving you your options. Yes.
What if you don't have a bathroom at all?
Oh, now that's not an option for us.
Yeah, not an option for us, but maybe it is for you.
Yes.
And what you have to consider is, how do you use the bathroom?
Right.
Now, when we say bathroom, we're talking about a private bathroom, somewhere you can shut it off.
Right.
We can still sit here while the person uses the bathroom, and we don't have to worry about seeing them do their business.
Exactly.
Me, I still have a little humility. And
I know I do.
And I'm not going to use the bathroom in front of my wife, no matter it's number 1 or definitely not number 2.
Right. We have done all of the options, but right now we're on the dry flush toilet.
Oh yeah.
Which for me, I love compared to the other 2. And I bet he does too, because he was the person to manage that, to do the maintenance, to dump all of that. I've never dumped a black tank or cassette tank.
Take a quick look at our dry flush toilet. All right, let me show you how to work this toilet. Now, pretty simple here. Open the top. You have all your instructions here. You have your operating buttons in the front. What you want to do is take your little pack of coagulant, pour it in the bag. See that right there? Just pour it in the bag. And you can also drop that in there. Excuse me. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. That's just a cup. And what's going to happen is it's going to solidify into a gel type material. If you got to drop your deuce too, you go ahead and drop your deuce. Boom and boom. And you have a toilet full. Once that is done, let your top closed. Hit your button there. Once the top closes, then you can hold your buttons and you can hear it operating. Unfortunately, I can't show you that because the lid has to be closed. Down here, this has to be closed also. But we're gonna let it do its business. It takes about 2 minutes and I'll show you how it comes out. Once the light goes out, that means it's done. You open up this down here and what you have is this handy dandy little bucket. And here is your mess. Nice and sealed. You got your nice seal line. You can let that pile up for however long until you come across a trash can. And guys, there's no smell whatsoever coming out of this bag. So all you do is take this and toss it. Yeah. Don't just throw it outside. But yeah, you take it to a trash can and then bloop.
Yeah.
This particular toilet is by Modiwell.
Modiwell.
Just imagine this. Now, a lot of people just put maybe a cassette toilet or something in their RV. Let me show you how that looks. Now, you don't have a bathroom, right? They don't have a bathroom, right?
Don't have a bathroom.
This is their toilet. They just pulled out from up under their bed or something. And now that I'm using the bathroom, I can talk to my wife while I'm using the bathroom.
No.
Isn't that much fun?
We don't want that.
That is so much fun.
I don't want that.
Especially on the number 2.
No.
That might work for a lot of you guys. That ain't work for us up in here.
No.
We need a bathroom
with a door on it.
With a door on it.
Yes. Yes.
And that brings us to our second point.
Oh, yeah.
The shower.
For me, I like to go into my shower, close the door, cut on my water, and take a shower. That's how I like to do it. Now, there's different ways in the camper van, RV lifestyle. Like, some people do have like a shower that they have to put together to bring the shower curtain up. Now, that takes a lot of time. To me, it takes away from you just enjoying where you are at that time.
True that.
You're wasting time. But if that's for you, then that's for you. They also have an option that you can have the outside.
Oh yeah, the outside shower.
Which is good for me for beaches only.
Yeah. You know, we like to flash people. So yeah, you know, when you take an outside shower,
yes,
you have to be real strategic in where you take the shower, first of all. And
you have to be secluded.
It has to be secluded. Yeah, you know,
I think for me,
you might just like taking showers in front of people,
right?
That may or may not call the police. But for me and my wife,
yes,
we need a shower because we shower multiple times a day.
Yeah.
Even though we're in a camper van, we will do at least 2 showers in the morning and the night.
Yes.
Now, you people that go for a jog in the morning and come back to a van with no shower, no toilet, what do you do when you get back?
Well, I mean, you know, I know sometimes people use like the wipes and things like that.
Wipes.
They do have the wipes, which if that's your thing, then that's your thing. You know, I mean, there are different ways. Of course, the same as with using the bathroom. There are different ways of taking a shower. Just for what we prefer is to close the door. And
we're not having to worry about where we do it at. And we can take a shower right now. Nobody would know what we're doing in our van. So for us, a private bathroom with a shower and a toilet is
number one.
Number one. What do you guys think?
Yes,
Tell us what you think.
Yes, let us know how you prefer it.
Anyway, we're going to post the toilets that we have in the description below. So make sure you check that out. Let them know Cap Ken sent you and they will take care of you guys.
That's right.